Hey y'all, I'm about to do a project with all these photos and cards. See there? I'm already separating most. I'm gonna take these albums, all the pictures out of the album, and I got a whole bunch of more um, albums and stuff, pictures everywhere. I'm gonna take the photos out of the albums, out of these boxes, all this stuff, and I'm gonna separate it, rate it in piles and stuff. I'm gonna take all my photos, put them in a pile, my kids' photos, family members, um, friends, socials, all the photos I have. I'm gonna take them out of all these albums and stuff. And hold on. So I'm gonna take it out of all the photos and stuff out of all the albums, and I'm gonna put them in each pile. Everybody gonna have a pile of pictures, and then I'm gonna take those piles and I'm gonna scan all the photos, and it's thousands of photos right here, and they just my photos from when I was a child growing up, old photos and stuff. People don't look at albums, they don't look at these picture books, whatever this stuff is. They don't look at none of this stuff no more. It's just old stuff that's just sitting in the attic, in the basement, and you might have some in the living room. You go visit your grandmama or somebody like that, aunts and all that stuff, and they got all these old albums, and you might look through it, you might not, but I'm gonna take these photos, and this is my project, and I'm gonna put them in piles, separate all of them, and I'm gonna scan each pile and put it on the computer. And each file gonna have a name, like my name, all my photos, my kids' photos, whatever they names and all that stuff. Everybody gonna have a file, and take those files, put them on a thumb drive, and they're gonna be saved forever. So you can hand it down to generation after generation, and you always have them. You can't always save everything to Facebook or YouTube because your channel might be taken down, or something might happen with Facebook where they delete stuff, or you might even get that page taken down or hacked, or whatever. And you don't want to do that. You want to save the photos where you can just hand it down on a thumb drive, and then they can take the photos from there, and they can make copies and give it out to people, and they can do whatever they want to. I plan on, with my photos and my kids' photos, is making a picture book like I did my mom when she passed away. It's a very nice picture book. Where is it? I think it's in that cabinet up there. But I made a picture book and had some of her photos in there, not all of them, but some of them. And it's very nice to look through that, and people come over, they say, oh, how did you do that? I like that. And they want to do it. So you can make picture books, you can make magazines. I made a lot of magazines with just pictures in it. So you can do projects like that. So that's what I plan on doing. That's what I'm doing this weekend. Probably be doing it for the next 5, 6 months, because I'm always busy, always doing a lot of other things, so I can't just do one thing. And also, I got a storage space of my mom when she passed away. So I did record. My brother came over to help me move some stuff, donated to Must Ministries. So I donated some of her stuff for the fifth time, because I had that storage space for almost 5 years now. And so I videotaped us doing that. And she got like 2 bags of photos and wall photos she had on her wall, and just picture albums and stuff like that. So I'm gonna take those photos of hers, and after I do this, I got to start with me first. When I get finished with mine, then I start with hers and do hers the same way, separate everything. A lot of her pictures are duplicate of my pictures because we used to split it like that. So I won't be making no duplicates or anything like that. I'm just take the photos I haven't seen that she have, and do the same thing. Scan them, edit it, put it in the book, magazine, thumb drive, and all that stuff. And I would suggest anybody do that. I'm gonna make another post and probably share with you what I'm doing, keep you up to date with the process and everything. And you might want to do it too. I mean, that's a way to eliminate all these albums and all this stuff, because it's a lot. It's a lot. And I did make a video of me finding some money in one of those cards. So check all those cards, anniversary card, birthday cards, check all that stuff, envelopes and stuff that you might have. Check that stuff, because sometimes it might be some money in there. I found money. So, and I recorded it, and I'm gonna tag it on to this video too. So I just want to share with you all that little bit, okay? So y'all have a nice weekend and enjoy yourself. Bye.